In front of me is NOKIA G50, and let me show you how to change SIM card pin on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select security, and here click on advanced. Now select SIM card lock, and here at first we need to turn it on. Let me put it 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you'd like to change it, just click on change SIM pin. At first you need to provide the old one, click on OK, and then enter the one that you would like to have from now on. Click on OK then, and that's it. As you can see, SIM pin has been changed. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change SIM card settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.